Welcome back, homies. It's AI Terrence. Today, something you should all be paying attention to because we can't do anything without this. Seed germination, where it all begins. What's up, homies? Today, I'm going to take you step by step on how to germinate cannabis seeds using the paper towel method. But first, let's take a look at all of the supplies that we're going to need. First, we need a Ziploc bag. Also going to need some paper towels, some water, cannabis seeds, some gloves, or just wash your hands, and a seedling heating mat. And last but not least, get yourself a nice fat spliff. What's up, growers? So today, we're doing a little seed germination. It's Sunday, we're gonna call it Seed Pop Sunday, alright? Giving these seeds a little liberation, you dig? Feel me? So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get a paper towel, right? Because this is the paper towel method of seed germination. So we're gonna grab a paper towel. And you're gonna get a nice size paper towel, alright? Because you're gonna wanna fold it up. Fold it up like this. You're gonna make it nice and thick. And you wanna use paper towel. Make sure you don't use like toilet tissue or like any real thin paper. Like you don't want nothing that's gonna fall apart on you. That's the reason why I'm even rolling this paper towel up. You know, this ain't Bounty or nothing. This from Dollar Tree. So we're gonna make it work, right? We're gonna make it nice and thick so that when we put water on it, it doesn't fall apart. Alright, I'm gonna pour some water on it. But we're not gonna leave it soaking wet. We're gonna pour warm water on it, not cold, not hot. Warm water, try to make it like room temperature or maybe slightly warmer. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wring it out so that it's just damp, right? Alright, so here we go. Now I got my damp paper towel. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the seeds right on there. So we're gonna start with the fruit of the loom first. And I got 4 of these, so I think we're gonna pop 2. We're gonna aim to pop 2 of these. Pardon if my dress got in the camera. I don't know if y'all saw that. So boom. There you have it. 2 fruit of the loom seeds. And what I'm gonna do is you're gonna cover this up. Try to put your seeds in the middle. You don't want them on a crack. Try to put them in the middle of the paper towel. Make sure it's pressed firmly against the seed so the seed is getting moisture. And right here, I have my bag for the fruit of the looms. Now, hopefully y'all can see that. I have fruit of the looms written on it. If you're popping multiple seeds, be sure to label it. You don't want your seeds popping out of the ground and then you're trying to guess what plant that was. Especially if you got photos and regulars, as I'm doing right now. Especially if you have fems and regular seeds, as I'm doing right now. Like these are the regular seeds. And I'm gonna pop some ferns later, so I just want to keep track of what's what. Especially if you have auto flowers or whatever you got going on, just label your stuff. You're gonna want to know your purple haze plant from your white widow. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that, we're gonna place it in the Ziploc bag. Come on, see, you could do better than that. So camera, make it nice and neat. You're gonna zip your bag back up and you're good to go. Fruit of the looms is ready. And I already have everything pre-labeled, so next up is Future Hendrix. So the last thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take those seeds and you're gonna put them in a warm, dark place, right? Where they're not gonna be disturbed. You don't want nobody stepping on it. You don't want nobody touching it, right? You're gonna put them in a warm, dark place for, let's say, 48 hours. Honestly, you might, if the temperatures and if the conditions are right, you probably might see some seeds cracking open in 24 hours. But just to be on the safe side, I'm gonna say 48 hours, and we'll check back and we'll look for some action, right? But for me, that warm, dark place is in my bed, so that's what I'm rocking right now.